Hey, did you ever notice why there's so many car stereo speakers in a car stereo shop? They all sound different. They all sound different because everybody has different ways of listening to things. Some people are not so good at hearing, so we want something that has more predominance in those levels that they can't hear. And some people, they're really sensitive, so we want to have them a little more subdued so that they are not irritated by the sound. So these plethora of speakers that we have on display are for your ears. Once we find out what your ears like, then we can sell you the proper product. Unlike being on the internet where you think, oh, that's a good deal, you may not like them. And that would suck for us because we want to sell you all the good stuff so that you come back happy and buy more things and go back to your friends. You can tell your friends that, look at what they've done for me. They've done a great job. Why don't you come do the same thing?